Hey everyone, Daryl here. If you're an Inside Track Club member, these deals expire on July 30th, so I wanted to put together my personal top 10 before they're gone. These aren't necessarily the biggest discounts, they're the tools that I think offer the best value for the money. Let's jump right in. Number 10 is the Pittsburgh 6-piece plier set. For around 10 bucks, it's hard to complain. You get a needle nose, lineman's pliers, diagonal cutters, groove joint pliers, and slip joint pliers. Would I buy these for daily professional use? Of course not. But for a homeowner, someone putting together a first toolbox, or even backup sets to keep in various places around the house and vehicles, I think these are a terrific value. Moving on to number 9, the Greenwood 1¼ gallon garden sprayer. This isn't just for the garden. You can use it for fertilizer, weed killer, bug treatment, driveway sealers, cleaning chemicals, and dozens of jobs around the house. At the Inside Track Club price, this one's the easy recommendation. You can have one for various chemicals exclusive. Number 8 is the Chicago Electric Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. If you're getting into welding or just need a spare helmet, this deal really caught my eye. The auto darkening lens reacts almost instantly, has adjustable shade settings, and a comfortable ratcheting headbands. For around $30, that's a lot of helmet for the money. Coming in at number 7 is the Bauer 7.5-inch hammer drill. If you don't already own a hammer drill, this is the one to look at. It drills wood and steel like a standard drill, but switch it into hammer mode and it'll power through concrete, brick, and masonry. Variable speed, reverse, and a lock-on trigger make this one of Bauer's better values this month. Number 6 is the Central Machinery 6-inch swivel vise. Every workshop needs a solid vise. This one has forged steel jaws, rotates where you need it, and even includes an anvil surface. Whether you're cutting, filing, bending, or holding parts while you work, a good vise becomes one of the most used tools in your shop. And number 5 is the Icon 3/8-inch semi-deep socket set. I really like semi-deep sockets because they fill that perfect gap between the shallow and where the others are too short, and the deep sockets are more than you need. Icon continues to impress me with excellent fit and finish, plus that lifetime warranty doesn't hurt either. If you've been wanting to try Icon without investing in a huge set, this is a great place to start. Number 4 is the Icon dual-sided rechargeable inspection light. This may be one of the most useful tools on today's list. You get up to 1,000 lumens, multiple lighting modes, a UV inspection light, and slim folding design. Whether you're working under a vehicle, inside cabinets, or around the garage, a quality inspection light makes almost every job easier. Coming in at number 3 is the US General 30-inch 4-drawer tech cart. If you watch my channel for any length of time, you already know I'm a big fan of US General storage. You get plenty of drawer space, a large work surface, excellent organization, and a cart that rolls wherever the job takes you. If you've been waiting to buy one, this sale is definitely worth a look. Number 2 is the Vulcan TIG 205 welder. Now we're talking serious equipment. This AC/DC TIG machine also handles stick welding, runs on either 120 or 240 volts, and comes with a torch, foot pedal, regulator, and other accessories needed to get you started. This isn't a machine everyone needs, but if you've been waiting for the right sale, this is a substantial savings. And finally, my number 1 pick this month is the Bauer 7.5-inch hammer drill. Why? Because I think it's the best combination of price, versatility, and usefulness on today's list. Almost every homeowner eventually needs to drill concrete, brick, or masonry, and for under $30, I think it's one of the best bargains in the entire Inside Track Club sale. Those are my top 10 Harbor Freight Inside Track Club deals before they expire on July 30th. Now I want to hear from you. Which one would you buy? Did I leave off a better deal? Let me know down in the comments, because I always enjoy hearing what catches everyone else's attention. If you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, consider joining us for more Harbor Freight deals, tool reviews, and do-it-yourself content. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And until then, y'all take care.